to have you here. Well, we've got the reading for the next day, and I'm really excited to bring it to you. I'm using an older deck, one I haven't used in a long time, which is the Gilded Tarot. I enjoy this particular deck by C.T.M. Marchetti. He's got some very favorable newer decks, and I've yet to add them to my collection. It's mainly because I really find easy intuition when it comes to this particular deck, but a lot of that has to do with the fact that I've used it over a certain amount of time, so there's good energy in that. So let me go ahead and pull this card. I've already shuffled them pretty well, but I'm just gonna kind of move them around. So we're doing before, present, and going forward. Use this as a navigation if it resonates with you. First card that I pulled is the Lovers. That's where we've been at. Where are we at today? Oh, reverse page of wands. Reverse page of wands. Interesting. Okay, that could be some positive movement there. And the third card is, oh, 10 of Wands reverse. Actually, that's excellent. 10 of Wands reverse. Okay, so the Lovers. This is not about a relationship as in actually the Lovers. This is about what you're doing or the partnership between yourself, your mind, and your subconscious. So your subconscious and your conscious mind. Are they commiserate with one another? And a lot of times we're not equal in a particular place, and our subconscious is sending us contrary messages, right? And we act on these subliminal messages without giving any real thought, being present as to whether this is some sort of a old programming or old ideology, or let's just say habits that we've had. Okay, so this is where we've been at, and we could have been entangled, right? Could have been entangled in our thoughts, kind of messy in our mind. However, the Page of Wands shows up. Wands, well, this is about your creative work, and this is about being less combative. It's reversed. And so we're emerging from this very immature thinking into something that's more formidable. That's what you're supposed to use this energy to, going forward. So this is for tomorrow. You're going to see yourself evolve in the way you're thinking, and that it's not immature, that you can see your progress. And the 10 of Wands, again, here's the Wands forming the Dame. It's reversed, but look at that. It's like he's carrying a heavy burden, right? Well, he's letting those burdens go by the way he's changing the mind. Change your mindset. And release and let go of stuff that just does not matter. I mean, now I tell my sugar beads in the women in my community that, hey, you know, there was a time that you were 19 and a half inches and 6.5, 7.5 pounds, and you're no longer that. You can't ever go back there. That's gone, right? That's done. That's an existence you could never be. So any of these things that are burdensome, let the weight of that stuff go, and allow yourself to remain in your maturity moving forward, like going into that night. That's the next card, going into the night, moving forward in your way of thinking, being creative. So what can you be creative in? What is your idea of moving forward in your maturity? It could be the way you communicate with people, but in itself, this is about how you are evolving and how you are recreating and repositioning yourself. So think about that for the next couple of days going forward. Thanks for joining. You can go to my website, sugarbee.com. You'll see the link posted below or above, just depending on where you're at. And you can book a session, or you can join our free community. This is a community specifically designed for our women of the diaspora. If that fits you, then I welcome you to sign up to join the community and learn how to heal emotional trauma permanently. Thank you for joining. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I look forward to hearing your comments below. Ashe!